Take command of the road in the 2013 Cadillac XTS. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 25,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all four corners. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, automatic dimming door mirrors, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as front and rear side impact airbags, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report indicating just one previous owner. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.